As the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup draws near in January, we're also seeing early glimpses of new phone cases. Thanks to a leak from the well-known Tipster Ice universe, we now have a preview of a case that may be designed for the Ultra model. This leak aligns with earlier rumors, including unofficial renders suggesting the S25 Ultra will have noticeably more rounded sides and corners compared to the current model. The transparent case's design also gives us a look at the rear camera layout, which appears consistent with previous camera leaks and closely mirrors the setup of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While the camera arrangement may stay the same, significant upgrades are expected. Rumors point to the Galaxy S25 Ultra featuring a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel super telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a secondary 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultrawide camera, all of which could debut next year. The rest of the case shows the usual design elements: cutouts for the power and volume buttons, USB-C port, and speaker grille. Overall, the S25 Ultra may not differ drastically from the S24 Ultra in appearance, aside from more rounded corners and an asymmetrical frame from front to back designed for improved ergonomics. Internally, though, there could be bigger changes. Recent rumors suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra may come standard with 16 gigs of RAM, an increase from the 12 gigs found in the current model. Galaxy S25 Ultra has surfaced once again on the Geekbench online performance benchmark. Since its last appearance in August, Samsung's next flagship seems to have gained some extra power. The latest Geekbench entry for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, uploaded today, shows increased CPU frequencies for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. Every CPU core is now operating at a higher performance level than previously observed. Specifically, the latest Galaxy S25 Ultra Geekbench test reveals a base frequency of 3.53 GHz for 6 CPU cores, up from 2.78 GHz, and an impressive 4.47 GHz for the dual-core cluster, an increase from 4.09 GHz. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.